Well, colour me happy. You know I do videos. I made this one.
It's a story about a movie. Tell us where we will go.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm watching kids' TV at 10 in the morning. I'm half cut and full of depression.
Good.
What do you mean, good?
And everyone here is busy going to work.
Oh, fucking rub it in. And then somebody used the sound. I love it when people use the sound. Thank you, Wezza.
It's a story about a movie. Tell us where we will go.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm watching kids' TV at 10 in the morning. I'm half cut and full of depression.
Good.
What do you mean, good?
And everyone here is busy going to work.
Oh, fucking rub it in.